Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix unusual activity detected problem in ElevenLabs. So according to ElevenLabs, this issue is being triggered when people are creating multiple free accounts. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you have multiple accounts. They said that it could also mean that you are using a VPN and have shared the same IP as someone else who has an account. It can be that you have multiple devices in your household and you have different accounts on them using the free tier of ElevenLabs. So there are two ways on how to avoid this issue. First is to buy a subscription, and second is to use a unique IP. So in buying a subscription, you can just go to ElevenLabs and go to the pricing. And then here, you can so the best deal is here, $5 a month because it covers all your needs. So for the second method, by using a unique IP, try connecting to your friend's Wi-Fi or to another household's Wi-Fi. That way, you can try to create a free account based on their IP address. So basically, that's it.